Hey guys, just a quick update on my fuel situation. I've been trying to start the vehicle and I have a crank, no start condition, and I think it's because of my fuel pressure. I checked my fuel pressure and as you can see, it's only like 21 psi, and I diagnosed everything and came to the conclusion that if I can't get at least 55 psi, this car's not going to start. It sounded like it wanted to start when I was cranking it over, but I think the fuel pressure just wasn't there. So I ended up dropping the tank again, and I decided just to get this BBK fuel pump kit, and this is part number 1861. So if you were to Google BBK 1861, you'll find this pump. And just out of curiosity, I actually wanted to see. It's not advertised on their website or anyone who sells this pump kit, what kind of fuel pump is in here. And you got to be careful if you ever want to crack this open. You actually got to take this hose off or it'll break. But I decided just to pry this clip right here, and I was able to pull it up and see the part number. And the part number is actually, it's a TI Automotive pump, and it's Foxtrot 9000261. And if you look that up on the interweb, you can't find it anywhere. So then I decided to call TI Automotive, and I talked to a sales rep, and they actually looked up that part number. It's a special part number for BBK, and it's similar to the Foxtrot 9000626, and the 626 is a 400 liter per hour pump. So they said both of those part numbers interchanged, and they're both a 400 liter per hour. The only difference is with the 98 tank setup is that this has a bleed off in it, so you actually lose some pressure. So this pump is, he told me, this is from a TI Automotive rep. He said this whole kit is actually rated at 330 liter per hour, so it's actually kind of a bonus. So considering it, it's a pretty good pump. So I'm going to be putting this in instead. I'm going to be checking the new fuel pressure and see if that fixes my issue. Alright, so I got the new pump on there, and I went and jumped the harness, so she's got 12 volts going to the pump right now. The system is pressurized, and I got 55 psi on the system, so everything's looking good. It's kind of a neat way to pressurize your system. You can also check for leaks. So yeah, so we're good with fuel pressure.